Riri matigarĩtie mĩthugũko ĩrĩ nĩguo gũtiriha hĩtahĩtano cia HBSC World Rugby Series. Nyanake cia Innocent Simiyu Shujaa nĩ icokereirie gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Shujaa matiri marahota gĩkombe ona kimwe na rĩu matigarĩtie mĩthugũko ĩrĩ nĩyo London na Paris Sevens.
The target was 100 points meant every quarter final of the 10 series. So going into this tournament now, I think we've reached our target. Now we just want to go at least win a cup to crown the beautiful season. So we just want to go all out for the last two tournaments, hopefully win a cup and achieve our ultimate season goal.
Ukiriugwa Shujaa rungu rwa nyabara Innocent Simiyu marĩ na mwĩhoko mũnene wa gũkinyanĩria kĩroto gĩa kũmatha pointi 100 kĩmera gĩkĩ, rita rĩa mũthia Kenya gũkuhĩrĩria pointi ta ici kwarĩ mwaka wa 2012-2013 rĩrĩa marĩkirie na pointi 99. Shujaa maikirio ja Singapore Sevens muthia wa kiumia ikerekeinĩ rĩa semi-final ya gatano ni New Zealand na pointi 17-7 na kumatha pointi 10 kũrĩa ndagĩka ĩno marũgamĩire namba 6 na pointi 93.
I think for us the 10 points is more of a benchmark just to show us where we are in regards to what we are doing. But we have goals. We haven't won a tournament, which is one of our goals. We have performance goals which we are very keen on in regards to achieving them consistently.
Utungata wa muthaki Collins Injera ndũngĩringithanĩka makĩria ikerekeinĩ rĩa Singapore Sevens kwona nĩ ũmwe wa athaki arĩa mandĩkithirie muthako mwega ũndũ ũrĩa kocha Simiyu etĩire na njĩra nene.
So it was always a big asset. I think he's arguably one of the best sevens players in the world, and having him in top form is quite a benefit to the team. So for us, we're very grateful, and we hope he can keep improving, keep working on the small little things, the detail, and hopefully can even play better.
Riu imwana ici igũkorwo irĩ meharĩrĩria-inĩ ma mũthugũko wa kenda wa mbĩtĩka ici ikerekeinĩ rĩa London Sevens kĩambĩrĩria kĩa mweri twerekeire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-inĩ, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwĩhaki wa Ndogo.